Hi everyone, this is a really short video. I'm going to do two scans, one where you can see me talking in the backgrounds, and just curious to see how each one comes out. But when I first moved into my home, pretty much everything I owned fit in the back of a single Ford F-150 truck. That is not the case now. As you can see, let's go back to the living room area here. Living room, fan, everything seems to congregate within my living room area. The computer, laptop, so it's made it ultimately pretty cluttered. So my goal is to start clearing some of these things out, using the space a little more wisely. So let me just switch the video here so you can get a little bit better view. All right, so here's a little more wider view. You can see definitely some clutter going on in here. Believe it or not, I have actually removed from my house already 12 totes of redundant stuff. So my hope is, as I do future videos, any advice on downsizing would be appreciated. Again, this is a 14 by 56 mobile home, but I really want to open up this living room again. Let's see if I can go a little forward here. You can see a clutter here. The collection station. And my next project will be the kitchen. All right, so again, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you for watching Mark in Maine.